Want to create a new PO similar to an already existing one, but feeling lazy about going through the entire process? Orderhive's fresh feature Clone PO aims at making your life easy. Not only that, a coinciding feature, Edit PO, allows you to edit existing POs in Orderhive account. You can clone PO in two ways. First, from purchase page, and second, from inside the purchase order. To clone PO from the purchase page, go to Purchases and select the purchase order you want to clone. Click on More and then click on Clone PO. Next, to clone PO from inside the purchase order, first go to Purchases and double click on the purchase order you wish to clone. Click on More and then click on Clone PO. As soon as you click on Clone PO, a new PO will open with all the details pre-filled exactly as the PO which you are cloning. Here you can make the changes you want in newly created PO, like changing the supplier, warehouse and payment term details. Products can also be added or deleted. Once all the changes are made, you can save or erase the purchase order. If the purchase order is cloned by mistake, then you can cancel it. Moving on to editing a purchase order, you can make changes such as price, quantity, payment terms, etc. A purchase order can be edited in all the three stages: to raise, awaiting and completed. To edit the PO, go to Purchases and double click the PO that you wish to edit. Then click on More and select Edit. A window will pop up and all the details of the PO can be edited. You can edit the supplier to whom the purchase order is being raised, warehouse in which the quantities are supposed to be received, the rate and quantity of the product added in the purchase order, and the text of the product. You can also add or remove product while editing the purchase order. Notes can also be added or removed. Finally, after all the changes are made, click on Save to save these changes. So here you go folks, editing and cloning a PO in Orderhive is a super simple process. If you have any queries, click on the chat icon to speak to a product expert. Don't forget to click on subscribe to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.